Good morning all of you my dear student. Today now we are going to discuss about PUC second year biology subject chapter number 2 sexual reproduction in flowering plant. तो आज हम एक नए कॉन्सेप्ट नए चैप्टर के बारे में जानकारी ले लेंगे। वह चैप्टर है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लोरिंग प्लांट। So the introductory part of introduction of this chapter is, first one is floriculture or anthology or anthology. Study of flower is known as a floriculture. What is floriculture? Study of flower is known as floriculture. Then second one is horticulture, cultivating and marketing of the flower. Cultivating and marketing of the flower is known as a horticulture. Then ornamentals, for example China rose, then lily and sunflower. China rose, lily, sunflower are the best example of ornamentals. Then social, cultural, religious flower, tulsi, sugarcane, then banana is the example of social, cultural, religious flower. Then now we are going to discuss about the yellowish of flower. तो हम आज यह सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लोरिंग प्लांट के बारे में जानकारी ले रहे हैं। तो इसके पहले हम जो R.H. विटकर नामक एक बायोलॉजिस्ट ने जो किंगडम के बारे में 5 kingdoms are involving in a biology. First one is Monera, next Mycota, next Protista, next Plantaea and Animalia. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 kingdoms are discovered by R.H. Whitaker. Then now we are going to discuss about Plantaea, the kingdom of Plantaea. So that kingdom Plantaea is involving first one is algae, second bryophyta, third gymnosperm, angiosperm, pteridophyta. So these all the flowers are involving, all the concepts are involving the sexual reproduction in flower. तो आप इसमें एंजियोस्पर्म का मतलब यह होता है जितने भी प्लांट्स फ्लावर देते हैं वह सभी प्लांट का समावेश यह प्लांसिया तथा एंजियोस्पर्म में किया गया है। तो सो जस्ट यू कैन सी, रिमेंबर हियर, दोज फ्लावर्स आर flowering a flowers or those plants are flowering a flowers, so that type of the plants are involving a angiosperms. तो जितने भी प्लांट्स फूल देते हैं उन सभी का समावेश यह एंजियोस्पर्म के ग्रुप में किया गया है। सो फर्स्ट हमने क्या देख रहे हैं, फ्लोरिकल्चर और एंथोलॉजी, स्टडी ऑफ फ्लावर, दैट वन इज नोन एज ए फ्लोरिकल्चर। सेकेंड वन इज हॉर्टिकल्चर, cultivating and marketing of the flowers, that one is known as horticulture. Then second one is ornamentals, example is China rose, lily and sunflower. Social or cultural, religious, tulsi, sugarcane, banana. So these all are the best example of social, cultural, religious. Then now we are going to discuss about second point is longitudinal system of flower. Longitudinal system of flower. Longitudinal system of flower. So look at the diagram of a longitudinal section of flower. So in our examination may be asked a question, draw a neat label diagram of LS of flower. So this is the diagrammatical representation of, this is a diagrammatical representation of a longitudinal section of the flower. So this is ovary, this one is ovary, so this is ovary. Next, so look at the diagram. So this is ovary and flowers are the fascinating organs of angiosperms. Flowers are fascinating organs of angiosperms. Flower containing 4 holes. Number 1 hole is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So these are the 4 holes are present in a flower. Calyx, it is the outermost layer of the flower. Corolla, it is the innermost layer of the flower. So look at the diagram. So this is stamen, stalk of the flower, stalk of the flower is known as, stalk of the flower is known as a pedicel. So look at the diagram. So this is ovary, okay, ovary. So this is sepals, sepals, and next one is, this is stigma, okay, this is stigma. Stigma, okay, so that one is known as stigma, that one is known as stigma. So next, so that one is known as petals, petals. Next, so this is the typical diagrammatical representation of a longitudinal sections of the flower. Next, that one is known as pedicel, stalk of the flower is known as pedicel. So diagram is also a very important for our examination, or you may be asked in a exam, annual exam, or this is also a practical experiment in our lab. So this is the diagrammatical representation of LS of flower, LS of flower, LS of flower. Then now we are going to discuss about the explanation of LS of flower is a fascinating organs of angiosperm. Flower is modified into shoot. Flower is modified into shoot. Next one is meant for the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. Reproduction. A typical flower consists of a 4 holes. So this typical flowers are consist of a 4 holes, modified leaves such as a calyx, such as a calyx, corolla, androecium, androecium, and fourth one is gynoecium. So these are the 4 holes are very important role in a typical flowers. So calyx is known as sepal. Sepal. So look at the diagram. So sepals are showing in a diagram. So that one is known as sepals, and corolla. So that one is known as petals. Okay, petals or petals. Androecium and gynoecium. Androecium, so that is stamen. stamen, and gynoecium or pistil. Androecium, these are the male gametes. Androecium, these are the male gametes, and gynoecium these are the female gametes. The calyx and corolla, so that one is known as accessory holes. And androecium and gynoecium is known as a reproductive holes. Which holes? Reproductive holes. So these are the, तो यहाँ पर हम फ्लावर के बारे में जानकारी ले रहे हैं। फ्लावर में 3 प्रकार के स्टेप्स होते हैं, निदल पुंज, दल पुंज, पुंगम और जायांग। यह 4 स्थिति में से ही फूल क्या होता है, यहाँ पर फ्लोरिंग होता है। सो द stalk of the flower, that one is known as stalk of the flower, that one is known as pedicel. The holes of the flowers are borne on the expanded teeth called receptal or thalamus. Next, the outermost layer of the calyx is, देखो हर एक फूल के जो बाहर का ग्रीन कलर का जो आवरण रहता है उसी को हम कैलिक्स कहते हैं। कैलिक्स, इट इज द outermost layer of the flower, so that one is known as a calyx. The next hole of corolla, so corolla, it is the alternate insects and birds for the pollination. तो आपको मालूम होगा कि जो रात में फूल खिलते हैं वह ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खुशबू देते हैं, जो दिन में फूल खिलते हैं वह कम खुशबू देते हैं और रंग बेरंग के फूल खिलते हैं। तो और उतना ही नहीं, जो इस फ्लावर में आप देखने के बाद इससे जो पेडिसेल यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, स्टॉक ऑफ द फ्लावर्स, सो दैट वन इज नोन एज पेडिसेल। Flower are morphologically and embryologically marvels the site of the sexual reproduction. Flowers are the morphologically and embryologically marvels and the sites of the sexual reproduction. Then next one is flowers are usually have the 4 holes. Number 1 is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Next, stamen and carpel. 2 holes are peritile, considered the essential or necessary to the reproductive holes. The end product of the flower is, or the end product of the sexual reproduction in the flower, so that one is known as, number 1 is seed, number 2 seed and fruit. Okay, so the flowers are responsible for the sexual reproduction in angiosperm the end product of the seeds and fruits. So these are the two end products of the flower. तो चलिए हम यह फ्लावर के बारे में सभी जानकारी ले लिए है और let us I will be stopped at this position. Remaining part we will see tomorrow next lecturer. Thank you. Jai Hind.